Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Esthetician Health and Beauty Tips. Today's topic is hard wax and soft wax. What is the difference between hard wax and soft wax and how to apply hard wax or soft wax for waxing on the skin? Waxing can be easily found everywhere, easy to use, economical and reduce hair growth. Using the right technique for waxing properly, preparing the skin for waxing and using the right product. Waxing is an option to get rid of body hair. If you want to wax at home and what type of wax want to use, there are two types of wax, soft wax and hard wax. Both types of wax remove hair. Hard wax and soft wax both remove hair and can be used at home. Hard wax is gentler on the skin. It is more suitable for sensitive areas and is less painful to remove, while soft wax is better for large areas like legs and arms. The difference between hard wax and soft wax is that hard wax is stipless and only sticks to the skin and better for sensitive areas of the skin, while soft wax sticks to both hair and skin, require a strip for removal and suitable for larger body areas like legs and arms. Hard wax is less painful than soft wax. Hard wax is applied thicker than soft wax and hardens on the skin. It can be removed with fingers, while soft wax is applied thin layer and removed with cotton strip or muslin. Soft wax removes dead skin, which helps with exfoliation. Hard wax for intimate and delicate areas, more flexible and less painful. Hard wax is a peel of wax applied thickly with a spatula on the skin and removed with fingers. It is used for waxing sensitive or delicate areas such as eyebrows, upper lips, facial waxing, underarms, bikini line, and Brazilian. Hard wax is ideal for the smaller areas. Hard wax is for thick and coarse hair, while soft wax is often used for larger areas like legs and arms. Soft wax can cause more irritation and pain than hard wax. Soft wax also leave a sticky residue on the skin. If you have a sensitive skin, a sugar wax based soft wax is gentler and a good option. Hard wax can be reapplied more than once at the same time to the same area to make sure all of the hairs are removed without damaging the skin. Hard wax is thicker than soft wax. There is less residue left after waxing. How to use hard wax for waxing? Clean the area of the skin. Apply a pre-wax oil or solution to create a barrier or protection between the wax and the skin. This helps protect the skin. Warm the wax at the correct temperature. The easiest and safest way to warm the wax is in a wax warmer that has a temperature dial shows when the wax reaches the ideal temperature. Apply the wax in the direction of hair growth with a waxing spatula. Wait for hard wax to harden, then pull it off in the opposite direction of hair growth or against the hair growth. Soft wax sticks to skin and hair. Soft wax is painful than hard wax. How to use soft wax for waxing? Clean the area with a pre-wax cleanser. Apply soft wax with a spatula. A thin layer is spread in the direction of hair growth. Then place a strip on top of it. Press gently and pull it off against the direction of hair growth. Before applying the wax, test the temperature. Test it on a wrist to make sure it is not too hot. Use pre-wax and post-wax oil solution that can leave the skin smooth and hydrated. If there is any wax residue left on the skin, soften it with a clean washcloth soaked in hot water and then remove it. Mineral oil can also be used to remove wax. Hard wax should be left on the skin until it hardens, about 5 minutes. If the wax is left on for too long, it can become brittle and snap the hair instead of removing it. Soft wax will remove the outer layer of the skin as well as the hair. Removing the top layer of the skin is also known as exfoliation. Soft wax can be applied in larger strips and is removed with waxing strips or muslin. It uses less product and can be applied and removed faster than hard wax. Soft wax is less expensive and great for speed waxing, while hard wax is more expensive. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.